So I plugged this charger on the switch and it blew off. This is an X-Charge charger. It's a third-party charger. The switch wasn't so good, so I plugged it and it mistakenly blew off. So I want to open it up and see what's inside. I don't have any idea of how to open it, but let's give it a shot and see. So what I'm suspecting is that there are spaces in here where I'm going to open the charger from. So from what I'm seeing, it seems the charger is glued up by gum. So it's pretty hard to open up this thing, but I'm gonna do it. You have to be careful so that you don't injure yourself.
How I change the phone number?
Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna open this thing. So after a series of failed attempts, I decided to try something new. That is a plier. So what I want to do is to take a plier and grab here and pull this up. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's worth trying. Jesus. So the capacitor got blown off and stopped the charger from working. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.